Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the document so Word can locate index terms reliably. Use heading styles for structural terms, and then select specific words to mark as index entries using Insert Index Entry Z. Once done, choose whether to mark single words, phrases, or ranges. This affects how entries collate. Make sure to use consistent capitalization and punctuation so entries group correctly. If you plan subentries, mark the main entry first and the subentry second. This order keeps the index hierarchy clean. Now you move into marking and refining many entries efficiently. Select Text and open Mark Entry to add main entries, subentries, and cross-references. Press Mark or mark all when appropriate. Once marked, you can edit XC fields in the document to adjust capitalization or merge duplicates. This is faster than remarking every instance. Use Find and Replace to modify repeated XC patterns and preview how entries will appear by toggling field codes. This saves time and prevents inconsistent entries before you generate the final index. Finish by generating the actual index where you want it to appear. Place the cursor, choose References Insert Index, pick Formats and Column Counts, then click OK. Word builds the list from XC fields. After edits, press F9 to update the index. If entries duplicate or sort oddly, reopen XC fields to check for extra spaces, different capitalization, or stray punctuation. Correcting XC entries and updating fields resolves most issues. If the index still misbehaves, toggle field codes to inspect hidden XC syntax.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.